Hello students, welcome ulit. So continue tayo for problem number 13. So for problem number 13, we have integral of sine 2x over 2 sine x. Ang pangit na ng function. Cosine squared. Okay, sige, dx. Tama, no? Tama. Okay, now I think it's obvious again, we need to set yung bang inside ng triangle function ito, 2x, x, at saka x, we need to set it, tama? Set it such that equal sila. Okay? So, if this is 2x, dapat magiging x yan. So, we will still use the double angle identity. So, check natin, double angle, ito pa rin. Sine 2 theta, palitan natin yan, magiging 2 sine theta cosine theta. Okay? So, meaning, this will become, ang sine 2 theta, this will become 2, sandali, yung number 12 natin, okay, so tama lang pala. Chinek ko yung previous problem natin, baka kasi nagkamali ako ng angle. So, anyway, this one, this will become 2 times, sine x cosine x. Yan, tama ba? Tama. Now, next, notice, pwede tayo mag-cancel. Cancel ang 2, cancel ang 2 dito. Sandali, naghang. Naku. I think nag-error yung matcad. Sandali lang, ha? Naku, nawala lahat. Sandali, type ulit. Ano yun? Integral of sine 2x over 2 sine x cosine x square, no? Cosine and then dx. And then, ang mangyari is ginamit natin yung, nawala din pala yung mathcad na window. Yan. So, anyway, and then gumamit tayo ng triangle function. Triangle identity, which is yung sa sine 2 theta, double angle. Okay. And then next, we will change this one from sine 2 theta, magiging 2 sine x cosine x. And then after this one, we can now actually simplify, cancel out, cancel yung dalawang 2. Itong sine, dalawang sine, cancel din. Now, although cosine will cancel out, may matitirang cosine sa baba because the power, no, exponent is 2 while the other one is 1. So this will become 1 minus cosine. Okay? And then next, we know that 1 over cosine based on our hexagon is secant. So this is actually secant x. And then we know the integral of secant x. We have ln secant u tan u. Okay, so our answer should be, ln, absolute value of, secant u tan u. Secant u, or secant x pala, plus tan x. And then, plus c. Huwag natin kalimutan yung plus c. So, yan. Okay, check down natin yung sagot natin. Number 13. Tama, same lang. Okay, so same pa din. If you have any questions or clarifications, please comment down below. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next video, which is problem number 14.